Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will focus on repairing the motherboard of a Lenovo ThinkBook 14. For this project, you will need a precision screwdriver set, an anti-static wrist strap, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, microfiber cloths, and a spudger tool. Let's get started. First, ensure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. Using the precision screwdriver, unscrew the back panel. It typically requires a T5 Torx screwdriver. Carefully lift the back panel off to expose the internal components. Now, you should see the motherboard. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust buildup. Use the microfiber cloth slightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. This not only helps in maintaining the device but can also prevent overheating issues in the future. Next, inspect the motherboard for any visible damage. Look for burnt components or broken traces. If you spot any, it may be necessary to replace those parts. If you're unsure about diagnosing the issue, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Once you've identified the problem, it's time to detach the components connected to the motherboard. Use the spudger tool to gently lift off any connectors, ensuring you don't damage the fragile components. If you encounter screws, remember to keep track of their locations as you remove them. Often, these screws can vary in size, so having a magnetic tray to hold them can be very helpful. If you're at this point and feel overwhelmed, don't worry. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to let us handle the repair without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a straightforward solution. After removing the necessary components, take a look at the thermal paste on the CPU. If it looks dry or cracked, you will need to clean it off with isopropyl alcohol and apply a new layer of thermal paste. This is crucial for maintaining optimal temperatures during operation. Apply a small amount of thermal paste in the center of the CPU and spread it evenly with a plastic card or the edge of the spudger tool. Now, let's prepare for reassembly. Ensure all components are connected properly, and double-check each connection. If you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out for a transparent pricing estimate. Once everything is securely in place, carefully replace the back panel and screw it back in. Reinsert the battery, plug in your laptop, and power it on. If everything runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Lenovo ThinkBook 14's motherboard. If you encounter any issues, feel free to contact us for further assistance. This repair process not only saves you money but also gives you a deeper understanding of your device's internals. Remember, if you need help, we're just a call away to support your tech needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.